Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I'll be decorating on my single sheet for my monthly view. I really like these kinds of inserts. I think it's a totally different layout than they've ever made before, which is why I find it really exciting. Yes, is difficult when you first start though, because there's like no stickers that actually fit those boxes, so you got to get creative. But with this particular month for April 2021, I've decided I'm going to write in a little gratitude tidbit every single day. And I start out by needing to obviously date them. So I use these hot pink numbers that I've had for a while now. And then using the dates and holidays, I pull out the April month sticker. So in the wellness sticker book, I found a sticker that said daily gratitude. So I thought that would be cute. I went ahead and put that at the bottom. And with the open section of Sunday through Wednesday up at the top, I wanted to find a spot where I could put daily gratitude and make it kind of cute. So I tried this that it says daily gratitude and then I put those little lines coming out, but I'm not 100% sold on it if I want to keep it that way or not. But I wanted to make it cute and colorful, so I am using the Brights Mega Book. So these flowers I've been hoarding for quite some time. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're some of my favorite colors to use in a planner spread. So I decided, since there are big ones and a sheet of, actually two sheets of small ones, that I would use this book so that I'm actually not using that many, since this is only a one-page spread. And in that case, I guess it's not a spread, it's just one page. But decorating just a tiny bit, but I'm needing to leave out the, actual 1 through 31 kind of thing, so that I have enough room to write out just a daily little thing that I'm thankful for each day of the month. And, there may be some repeats, but I thought I would just try something different. So I'm putting the last few touches on the page, and I do apologize. I was surprised that a lot of the actual laying down of the stickers was not in the shot. It seems like it was a little bit zoomed in, but either way, once I finish, you'll be able to see the full page like on this shot. But thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.